guys, we are on the second part of the refactoring category. We're going to be starting the Refactor Factory. So, says we're going to fix some of the existing code. This is a module. We'll cover these, I guess, as well as what this is at the end of the lesson. So unless n is a integer, return n. Alright, let's save and see what's going on here. Alright, so to be or not to be. First up on line 14, primary has value by using the dot null, which returns true if a value is nil and false otherwise. Alright. Refactor the code on line 14 to use conditional assignment to set primary to array instead of using an if statement. Alright. So alright, remember the conditional assignment operator works like this, and it equals some value. Is that what it's saying to do? Oh, looks like we might have an infinite loop. Let's put 5. Alright, so let's reset the code here. Line 14. So, we're saying that we need to switch this. Still want us to? Instead of using an if statement. Oh, I could have sworn we did that already. Okay, so we got rid of the if statement. We set it to comparator. Alright, omit needless words. Unless on line 6, and if on refactor the code in editor to use single line if statements, and remember, do this if this is true. Okay, so we want n must be true, or n must be an integer if true. Alright. So unless... Oh, we should have used unless. Whoops, my bad. So we want to do the action first, which is puts unless false, and then we'll say puts unless and now we'll say puts alright, I believe that should work. There we go. So we're saying it's just switching out the if and unless. A lot less code. We lost about 3/4 of the code in that little section. So we had about 8 lines of code and we got down to 2. Less is more. Find the unnecessary return keyword and remove it. Okay, so, bam. That should be it. So, alright, the Rubius loop. Replace the for loop with a call to dot times. So let's find the for loop. And dot times. Do we have to do a do after that? That doesn't look right. Alright, so end dot times, and let's see. My code should look a little bit like this. So end dot times here. And we can get rid of that end because we can. Alright, let's see here. Let's reset the code. So we need to change it to the dot times. So this is times. Actually, let's pull up the Q&A forum because I believe I may be just forgetting how to do the dot times. So that's 5 of 7. So let's see how this guy does it. Blah 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 blah. Prime equals prime new. So set up, yeah, prime equals prime new. Then n times this, then end. Okay. I guess we can take that out. Cool. So I guess we need to get rid of the other statement in there for the variable. Alright, the final push. Replace call dot push with the listen. So this is just a simple syntax thing. So cool. Earned a badge, 50 points in one day. I don't know what these points mean. Might just have to do with your lessons or something. I have no idea. So nice work. If you remember, the cash money symbol verbose equals nil in line 1. This allowed us to use the old style prime.new from Ruby 1.8 without the interpreter yelling at us. Okay. And then prime.instance. So this is a 1.9 class. Makes the array automatically. Okay. So I'm going to share as always. Kind of just syntax. Went pretty quick, only 7 things here. Nothing too bad. And let's see what we're doing next. Blocks, procs, and lambdas. So, look forward to that.